In this video, if you are curious about why you should have Prime in CS2, I will explain you why you should have Prime in CS2 fast and easy, and with that in mind, let's get right into it. Having Prime means you will be exclusively matched with other Prime members in CS2, unless you have a friend or another player as a non-Prime user in your lobby when you want to play, for example, competitive. Prime membership will offer you access to the community servers in CS2, expanding your gaming experience. Now maybe the most important thing, having Prime will give you access to the weekly care package system. That means with Prime in CS2, you are about to receive weekly drops as you level up each week. Then you could pick a case and a weapon or a graffiti and you can play with them, or you can sell them on Steam Market and buy another skins. Something very important to say is that Prime matches actually tend to have fewer cheaters in them, because most of the cheaters, they don't have Prime status on their accounts because they know that they are going to most likely get banned, and that's why they usually play non-Prime. But from my experience, you will also find some cheaters in Prime matches as well, but not that many. Those are the reasons why you should have Prime in CS2. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative. Please share this video with your friends so they could also know why they should have Prime in CS2.